Hurley, the Chief Advancement Officer at the Irish Cultural Center of Western New England. I'm here today to talk about our second annual Lúnasa Feis that is going to be held on Sunday, August 29th at the Big E from 9 to 4. It is open and free to the public. We hope to see you there. We're excited to continue our relationship with Cassin Academy and Black Rose Academy to continue to put on the Lúnasa Feis again this year. We're excited to present and continue the tradition of Irish competitive dancing here in Western New England. Western Massachusetts has a long history in Irish dancing, as you can see here in our small Celtic Room at the Irish House Trinity Pub and Restaurant, where you'll be able to see some of the pictures and exhibits of dresses, outfits, shoes, and hair accessories that have been worn through the generations. We look forward to seeing you at the Feis on Sunday, August 29th.